In this video, I'll be going over the library website and its most useful links and resources. First, you'll want to go to npc.edu, then click on the menu in the top right-hand corner, and then on the library link in the banner below. The first thing you'll notice are the tabs at the top with their drop-down menus, including a list of how-to videos about the links and resources that I'll be going into in this video. I also have a list of library hours, library campuses, our virtual hours, and the Ask a Librarian email and the Text a Librarian phone number. If you email this email address or text this number, you can get questions to answers that you might have even if you can't make it to a physical library. We also have a list of when our library locations will be closed. In these three boxes are a list of very useful links, including the library catalog. Through this website, you can request a book to be sent to your particular campus, and we also have the same links listed in the left-hand menu. We also have a list of databases that are available to our students through the college and are free to use. Right here, they are listed in alphabetical order, but you can also search for them through the subjects. We also have a list of subject guides, pages that are designed to have resources listed according to a particular subject. I'll have several examples of those in this video. For instance, we have a government resource subject guide that is organized by different government agencies. And through these different tabs, you will have the website and the documents needed for a particular agency, such as FAFSA or the IRS. We also have a research strategy subject guide that will help you write your paper all the way from step 1 to turning it in. We also have a copyright subject guide, which will go over what you can do and what you cannot do through copyright and what is public domain and so on and so forth. We also have a writing and citation resource guide, including videos, books, and websites that will help you cite your sources properly. Finally, under services, we do have our interlibrary loan form. If there is a book or journal article that is not available in the college directly, you can request an item to be sent to Northland Pioneer College from another library, even if it's out of state. And finally, if you do not have a library card account, just click on Borrow Materials and then click on the top link to fill out a borrower application.